seas here. So moving right along, heading to our next spot. We got a little sun coming in up there, not too bad. See a ship way out there. Another ship over here. So see some land over there. So we're probably not too far off from where our land is here, but here we go. Victory at sea here. Okay. Here's our welcoming party down there. They're welcoming us to the ship. The ship is coming in. Got a few more feet to go here. They got the gangplank already set up to be maneuvered in place. And there's the guy there. Alright. Okay. Big welcome there. Look at the signs. We got the buses. The mosaics over there, all kinds of stuff. There's your bus down there, welcoming party over there. Gonna go down the gangplank here once more. We're coming down here, picking up speed as we go down here on the fast track. And coming down here even more. All right. Cool. Alright, look at these guys over here. Look at these guys. It's wonderful here. Oh, my friends from Japan, a wonderful welcoming party. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Thank you very much. We're so happy to be here to visit everybody too. And thank you for having everything here. Appreciate it. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give it away. Bye-bye. Alright, great. Thank you. Yakushima Trail, man. That's where we're going. A couple other hikers coming up here, and little raindrops coming down from the trees from earlier rain. And yeah, we're going here. It's the route. That's where it says here. Yep, we're going here. All right, here we go. Picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. Okay, we're on the trail. We gotta go down slippery here. Gotta be quiet because we don't want to mess up nature here. There's a wooden bridge. Everything's very damp here. Very damp. It's cool. It's actually cool here too. More steps going down here. Okay.
これ姫シャラと言います。姫シャラ。あ、いいですか?
Oh, go ahead. A tree fell down there. Yep. Right. Oh, we're out on the trail here, and you can see in back of me here, we got all the woods back here. Our other group is up in front of us here, so we get a little rain coming from the trees up above us from when it was wet. They all got wet earlier in the rain, so we have raindrops, but not enough to put my raincoat on here. So, all right, we're going to press on here. So going down our forest trail here into the woods. Cool. It's got a t-shirt on though. It's chilly, but we make a lot of stops, so I'm not working up a sweat here or anything. And come up close to the front of the pack with our guide up here. Oh, we got a little bridge here. Hopefully not a bridge too far. But yeah, there is some water down there I can see. And more big tree trunks and everything down there. We got our mosses on the side of the trees here and everything. We got all kinds of that growing up there. Yeah, we got this guy here. I gotta watch, hit my head on that. And yeah, water down there. Look down over the top. Coming into the dark area here now. Yeah, I gotta watch it. They got all these little strips. I don't want to trip on them. So I gotta be careful here. I might have to put my raincoat on. A little cool here, so we'll see. Now it's uphill a little bit here. A little misty here, misty. All right. Yeah. See, we got another set of steps here. I have to watch because you're going up here. So gotta watch what I'm doing here. And coming up the top of steps on this trail here. Here we go. Oh, we'll come up to a bridge here that's going to be going across. I'm sorry, am I in the way? No, not yet. Coming across here. And look out, get a good view here. There's water down there. Little waterfalls down there. And we got on this side very foggy. You got the clouds. We're up in the clouds up here. You can see them for sure. Some water down there, coming down there. Yeah. More clouds up here. See another bridge or something up there. Got little raindrops here. A little rain here, but yeah.
So please watch your step.
The 1,000-year-old cedar. Okay.
Kind of camellia.
I don't think that's it, but this looks like the one like the camellia here underneath of us here. But the 1,000-year-old cedar is further down. Gotta go down the steps here. Gotta be careful. Feels like it's raining a little bit here. Put my raincoat on. GoPro's waterproof, so there shouldn't be any problems there. So this is the 1,000-year-old cedar right here that we're going to take a look at. And we're going to come down and see it. And people want to get their picture taken. I think this is the cedar tree over here though. This looks more like a cedar over there, but we'll see. This is 1,000-year-old cedar here. We're here in its presence. It's been here a long time. We're going to see how high that baby goes. And it goes pretty high up there. Way high up there. Alright. We've done it. We've seen it. We're moving on here. Okay. Well, what you just saw was the 1,000-year-old cedar that we just had a quick look at right there. It has a lot of moss and stuff growing on, so it doesn't look like a cedar. But there's this one here that the bark looks more like cedar, but this is only about 100 years old, so that's why, you know, it looks like a cedar one, but that one is a special one. They even made a special trail down here to go see it here. Okay. Okay, from back there, and we're still going down here. We're still like in the clouds up here. Raindrops come down every now and then on the head. Got a little opening here, and you can see out here in the clouds. Up in the clouds. Up, I think they said, I forget, 3,300 feet or so, but it was a super winding, narrow road coming up in the bus there, but yeah. And some parts are only like 1 lane wide, so if you have another car coming the other way, it gets tricky, very tricky. Okay, moving along here. Yeah, picking them up, walking on the trail here. But you gotta be careful, taking it slow. Gotta watch like up ahead here. This little thing here. So, you know, you gotta duck my head down underneath here. You get down underneath some of these branches here. Locals don't have to worry about that, but I do. Okay, let me get back to the old trail here. We're on this bridge here. And then come up. We're gonna have a little waterfall here. Very good. Nice little waterfall. Goes down here, goes down to the other side, goes out here, goes trickling down here, all the way down to the bottom down there. Okay. Just past the waterfall, we got a little gap up here, but you can't see anything. There could be another hillside, there could be the valley up there, but it's all fogged in with the clouds there. We're up in the clouds here. It's like my life. I'm always up in a cloud here, you know. So not much difference there from M1 Man Travel. And by the way, subscribers always welcome, of course. All right, There's a Japanese guide going down there. He's a spry guy, very fast and knows everything. Our interpreter is back there. I don't know where the rest of the group is. So I think I'm forward of them, but we all come back at the same time to meet the bus. So I'm going to go down here, so might be a little slippery, so I better watch what I'm doing. All right. Well, we're going to come down and go across that bridge. You see the waterfalls there. It's a little swaying bridge too. So it's going to sway a little bit there. So well, I have no idea what it says, but he told us to come down here, and well, that's what I did. I don't know if I'm going the right way or not, but we're close to the bridge. Big gorge here. Look at that down there. The water down there. It's like a pretty strong bridge here. All the water there and everything. Down here. Yeah, I see a lot of rocks up there. Coming down and everything. Yeah. There you go. Bridge swaying a little bit. Kids on the bridge here for you. Came back from back over there. I guess we're going over there. I don't know. Just have to see where everybody goes here. So it's a mystery. All right, let's get back there. By the way, I hit my head on this right here, and I fell backwards down here, and I was in an unusual spot. People had to lift me up, and luckily we didn't have to get the jaws of life or anything to get me out of that, but I was watching my feet, but I wasn't watching my head here. Okay. Well, we're heading back. I don't think there's any more low-hanging branches I have to watch out for here, so too bad I didn't have the camera running when that happened, and would have got a good thing. I'm probably going to have a nice bruise on my back, which I may document in a day or so here. We'll have to see. Could be something interesting for those of you medically inclined out there. All right, coming back. It looks a little bit brighter here now, so shoes have been doing good, getting good grip here. Should have worn my hard hat here, but hey, you can either looking down at your feet or you gotta watch out for your head. Can't do both at once.
Then you're not in everybody.
Goodbye, because I can't get outside. I can only be inside here, but they're way over there, and even goodbye to them up there. Oh, I didn't get out in time. I can't go outside because the door is locked here, but oh well, did the best.